Hello everyone, I'm Sugandha and welcome back to Wellness Sutra, your one place for authentic knowledge of yoga and Ayurveda. Today let's talk about food many of us love. It's called yogurt. I'm going to talk about is it healthy, what does Ayurveda say about it, and you might be surprised. In Ayurvedic view, yogurt is known as dahi and it's considered heavy, heating and nourishing for your body. It's great for building immunity and strength and also very vata balancing, especially when people are feeling dry, weak or underweight. So here is the catch. How, when and with what you eat makes lot of huge difference in yogurt. And also, are you eating a store-bought yogurt or homemade yogurt? So I'm gonna also show you how to make a homemade yogurt in a while. While yogurt has its own benefits, it can disturb digestion if taken improperly. Here is why. It's hard to digest and also can clog your channels or shrotas. It can increase kapha, increase mucus, or congestion in your body. It can also aggravate pitta, leading to acidity, inflammation, and skin issues. So here is a big no-no from the yogurt as per Ayurveda. Eating at night because it can slow your digestion. Do not eat it in the night. It can slow your digestion and build toxins. Don't eat with it cold straight from the refrigerator. Don't cook or heat it. That can make it toxic. In Ayurvedic way, how you can enjoy yogurt. The best time to eat yogurt is at the lunchtime when your digestion is strongest. Always spice up with some herbs like cumin, black pepper or dry ginger, which can help in the digestion of the yogurt. And best to take in the form of tatraka, which is spice buttermilk, yogurt mixed with lot of water and spices. That's your yogurt diluted into the water with spices like cumin, rock salt, cilantro, mint. It's much lighter and best to be taken. And also it can reduce your bloating. So who are the people who should enjoy yogurt the most? The people who are Vata type can enjoy yogurt regularly, especially in any time of the year. The Pitta type can enjoy it as well, but in the small amount, and they should spice it up with the cool herbs like cumin and mint. Kapha type of people should take it less, rarely, and consume more buttermilk than the yogurt because it can clog their channels. So this is how you can really enjoy yogurt without really getting your energy or your doshas imbalanced. So just remember, no size fits all. Just make your mindful choices as per your own body type. Let me know if you have any other questions about yogurt, and I'm going to show you now the recipe for the yogurt. So let's learn how we can make our own yogurt at home, and that's the best yogurt you can consume. What kind of milk you need? You can have any good quality cow's milk or buffalo milk. I prefer cow milk because I feel it's much lighter for my stomach. So take our cow milk in a bowl and heat it. How much temperature you need for making the yogurt? When you put your finger inside the milk, you should feel little warm, but not something which you cannot do, okay? So heat the milk to the point where you are able to put the finger in with a little comfort, okay? So that's the temperature you need, like a nice warm milk, okay? Once you heat the milk, put it in another pan and just mix it together to get a little foamness. When you create a foamness in the milk, it kinds of make the curds very nice, okay? Just once or two times, mix the milk well. And your culture is very important for the yogurt. So see that you get a culture from somebody who has been making yogurt at home. Or if you are going buying from the store-bought, then find out a good culture yogurt and then use that culture. So let's say I'm using a half liter of milk here. So I'm going to put 2 spoons of culture. 2 tablespoons of culture. Mix it well. Cover it properly. And you can use always a steel bowl. I would prefer steel bowl over a glass bowl or maybe a earthen pot. The pot which is made of clay, like these kind of pots if you have, okay? If you're in a warm weather, you can keep it outside. But if you're in a cold weather, then put it either in the microwave or in the oven to get some good. Yogurt needs some good heat and put it overnight. If you're putting it maybe for 12 hours, you'll get a good results. All right. So this is how you make your yogurt, and once it comes out, it will be nice, thick, creamy yogurt which you can enjoy with you and your family at home.